If you ever gone to the nail salon or done your nails at home, you know that the dust particles can get all over the place. So today I'm going to be reviewing this nail dust collector. But first, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing this dust collector. I'm going to be taking it out of the packaging. I will show you everything that's inside the box once you get your dust collector, and we will also be putting it to the test. We're going to be testing out how quiet it is. We're going to be testing out its functionality. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. This dust collector is available in a variety of colors. I have it in white here. So first, you will get your manual. So this is just going to walk you through what your nail dust collector is, how it works, how to properly take care of it, the steps, the usage. So first, I have my manual. Then next here, we have the power cord. So you could see here. So this is the adapter. So this is going to be connected into the dust collector. Then here we have our dust collector. So let me go ahead and take it out. So here it is. It is actually pretty lightweight. It is not heavy whatsoever. This is what the top looks like. Take a closer look. You can see the filter right underneath this silver grid. Now this is the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the sides. Very, very nice quality straight out of the packaging. Now on the front here, you do get your LED screen along with the knob. This is going to go ahead and be used to adjust it. So let's go ahead and connect it here. So to connect it, it is located right here on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So I have it connected to the power outlet. So let's go ahead and turn the knob. So you can see it beeped as it is notifying me that it's currently on. As you can see, it has a 00 here. You just give it one turn. That is at 1. So it goes up all the way to 10. I could actually feel the air from the sides here. So you can go ahead and manually adjust how high you want that speed. I think 1 is very nice and mellow. So I'm going to turn it off real quick and show you that this grid is removable. So you could just go ahead and take that apart. Then the filter here does have like this little ribbon. You could go ahead and just pull on that and dust it and clean it. This is what it looks like underneath. This is where you have the fan and your filter. This is perfect for if you're doing your nails at home or at a nail salon, so you don't have all these dust particles floating all over the place. This is actually going to capture all that nail dust in here to prevent it from scattering all over the place. So let's go ahead and use it now and see how it works. All right, so I went ahead and got my nail drill here, and then I have some acrylic nails. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look as to what that looks like if you are doing your nails at home or at the salon. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around, give you a closer look. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and power it on here. So you could see set to level 1. It's actually pretty quiet. Got my nail drill turned on. I could honestly say I don't see the dust flying all over the place like I usually do at a nail salon or when I'm doing my nails at home without this. Usually the dust is going all over the place. It's flying all over the air, and right now I am just seeing it fall in this general area and a little bit here on my nails, but it is not scattered all over the air, and I'm not breathing in that nail dust. I'll go ahead and turn it up a little bit. We're going to put it at 5 now. I brought the camera in closer just to give you a closer look on that. The dust is falling all on the nail dust collector, giving you a front view of what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and continue filing down this nail. So you could see that there is no dust coming up on the surface. It is all being collected by the nail dust collector. I don't have that nail dust all over my face. I'm not breathing in that nail dust. Pretty impressive. Like I mentioned, I've done my nails at home or I've gone to a nail salon, and I could honestly say that nail dust is flying all over the place. And it sometimes even makes it a little harder to breathe just because you're breathing in all that nail dust. If you've been looking for a way to improve your nail manicures either at home or at the salon, then I would definitely look into this. Personally, I think it's perfect. I like that it has the 10 levels. So if you want it on level 1 all the way up to level 10, personally, I think level 1 worked fine. I brought it up to level 5, and then level 10, I personally thought it was extreme, but it just depends because I am doing my nails at home, maybe at a salon or a business, somewhere where it's much more drastic or much more dramatic. You're constantly working with nail dust. Maybe you'll need to put it at a 10, but I think personally at a 1 was the perfect level. But again, it is just your own personal preference, but it did work for what I needed it to work for. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, you also want to take a look at the different color options they have available. I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.